So the bet is no one. How many spectators will be allowed for Boys and Girls Champs 2022? All in keeping with the strange sequence of events where no fans were allowed into the stadium for 4 of the 5 home World Cup qualifiers. 2 days after Jamaica lost another of those games in an empty stadium, permission was granted for 10,000 vaccinated fans to attend the Gibson Relays, a private track meet. So if the Gibson Relays is the little brother and Champs is the big brother, I don't know how many spectators Issa asked for. But with the demand for Champs and the fact that spectators have not attended Champs since 2019, and with the little brother getting 10,000, my bet is that the big brother Champs will get at least 20,000 fans, which is right because the stadium is big enough for 20,000 fully vaccinated fans with adherence to the protocols between the bleachers and the grandstand. But quiz question though, if Gibson Relays is the little brother, get 10,000, and Champs is the big brother, and him expected to get 20,000, and football don't get none, then what member of the family is football? Anybody know? Yes, the Boston Child, yes, correct, yes, the Boston Child.